Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Apple Pay. First, you'll have to navigate to Apple Pay or Apple Wallet on your phone. Then here on the top right corner, you will find this plus sign. You have to click on it in order to show you all these options. You can add a debit card, credit card, transit card, or any other options from this list. Now, if you want to click on debit or credit card, all you have to do is to enter your card details manually, or you can simply scan it using your mobile in order to fill in all the information. And now let's say that you have added your card and now you want to pay in a restaurant or in a cafe, etc. All you need to do is to simply double click on the side button of your phone. Then it will show you here your main card. All you have to do right now is to simply hold your mobile phone near the payment reader. And after that, you're all done. You will hear a sound like beep. Then after that, your payment will be successfully done. Now let's say that you are in a run and you don't have your phone and you only have your Apple Watch. What you should do, you can simply do the same steps. You can also pay with your Apple Wallet. All you need to do is to just double click on the side button and it will open your main card on your Apple Watch. You just have to make it near from the terminal or from the payment machine and your payment will be successfully done. You have also another feature, which is the payment inside some websites. Now let's say that you are using the browser on your phone and you want to buy something online. You can simply go to the online store, then click on the button which says buy with Apple Pay. After that, it will automatically enter all your credit card details without having to even enter it manually. So this will save some time and save some effort because you do not need to enter all of your details section by section. And you can also use this feature even if you are using the browser on your MacBook or any device of Apple that you have connected Apple Wallet to. Now, if you want to add some security to your payments and all of your credit cards on Apple Pay and keep it away from hackers, you will have to use a VPN. So try to use a professional VPN in order to avoid the scammers, and you will find many VPN applications that you can use to do so. Now here, as you can see, you have all the credit cards on the main or the home page. Now if you click on one of them, it will show you all the latest transactions that you have made using this card. And you can also click on these three dots on the top right corner in order to see all details of your card. You can simply change anything in it, or you can even delete or remove the card. You just have to scroll down, then click on remove this card right here. And you can also allow or turn off the notifications for this credit card particularly. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.